Hello students. Today we will discuss about the topic classification of haloalkanes. Based on number of halogen atoms, haloalkanes are of two types. One is monohaloalkane and another is polyhaloalkane. Monohaloalkanes contain only one halogen atom. They are further subdivided into three types. One is primary alkyl halide, another is secondary alkyl halide, and third is tertiary alkyl halide. A primary alkyl halide is an alkyl halide in which halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. For example, ethyl chloride or chloroethane. Now we'll see what is secondary alkyl halide. An alkyl halide in which halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. For example, isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. So here chlorine is attached to secondary carbon atom. And in case of tertiary alkyl halide, halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. For example, tertiary butyl chloride or 2-methyl-2-chloropropane. So here chlorine is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Now the general representation of alkyl halides is Rx and general formula is CnH2n plus 1 X, where X is halogen atom. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now we'll discuss some multiple choice questions. 2-methyl-2-chloropropane is primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide, or quaternary alkyl halide. So we have seen it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Which of the following is secondary alkyl halide? Ethyl chloride, 2-bromopropane, tertiary butyl bromide, isobutyl chloride. So answer is 2-bromopropane. Now we'll see the classification of polyhaloalkanes. Polyhaloalkanes contain more than one halogen atom. Polyhaloalkanes are again subdivided into three types. One is dihaloalkane, another is trihaloalkane, and third is tetrahaloalkanes, and so on. Dihaloalkanes contain two halogen atoms. For example, dichloromethane. Dihaloalkanes are further of two types. One is geminal dihalide and another is vicinal dihalide. In case of geminal dihalide, two identical halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. For example, here you can see two chlorine atoms are attached to same carbon atom. This is ethylidene dichloride or 1,1-dichloroethane. So 1,1-dichloroethane or ethylidene dichloride is a geminal dihalide. In case of vicinal dihalide, two identical halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms. For example, ethylene chloride. So here chlorine, two chlorine atoms, they are present on adjacent carbon atoms. So it is IUPAC name will be 1,2-dichloroethane. Thus, ethylidene dichloride is a geminal dihalide and ethylene chloride is a vicinal dihalide. Then we have another type of polyhaloalkane, that is trihaloalkane. Trihaloalkane contains three halogen atoms. For example, chloroform or trichloromethane. So here you can see there are three chlorine atoms. So it is a trihaloalkane. And tetrahaloalkanes contain four halogen atoms. For example, carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. Now we will discuss some multiple choice questions. Which of the following is geminal dihalide? A. Ethylidene dichloride, B. ethylene dichloride, C. ethyl chloride, D. isopropyl chloride. So answer is ethylidene dichloride. Which of the following is vicinal dihalide? Ethylidene dichloride, ethylene dichloride, DDT, isobutyl chloride, we have seen it is ethylene dichloride.